Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use a bottom navigation bar. First, you'll need to set up your Android Studio project. The very first step is to include the Material Design library in your app's module-level build. Gradle file. This library provides the essential bottom navigation view component. Ensure you sync your project after adding the dependency to apply the changes successfully. This foundational step is crucial for integrating the navigation bar into your application. Next, let's design the appearance and structure of your navigation. You'll create a new menu resource file, typically named Bottom Nav Menu, XML, within your res/menu directory. Inside this file, define each navigation item with a unique ID, a clear title, and an appropriate icon. After that, add the bottom navigation view element to your main activities layout XML, like ActivityMain. XML. Remember to link this view to your newly created menu resource using the app menu attribute. Now, let's bring your navigation to life using the powerful Android navigation component. Start by creating a navigation graph XML file, for example, navgraph, XML in your res/navigation directory. This graph will visually represent your app's destinations, typically fragments. In your main activities layout, use a fragment container view to host this navigation graph. Finally, in your activities code, connect your bottom navigation view to a nav controller. This setup allows the navigation component to automatically manage fragment transitions when a user taps a navigation item. To provide a polished user experience, pay attention to these details. It's vital that the ID of your menu items precisely match the ID of their corresponding destinations in your navigation graph. This ensures the navigation component works seamlessly. Also, implement an on-item reselected listener on your bottom navigation view. This allows you to define specific actions, like scrolling to the top of a list, when a user retaps an already selected item. Lastly, leverage the navigation component's ability to save and restore fragment states, ensuring a fluid experience as users switch between tabs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.